Hello everyone, welcome back to the little channel. Today I'm going to share a new Airdrop and its name Abstract Chain. Okay, let's deep dive into Abstract Chain Airdrop campaign. First of all, just copy the link and open with any browsers, and I choose my KIW browsers in my mobile. Then click on sign in option, and you can connect with many wallets, and as I always use MetaMask, so I choose MetaMask wallet. And you have to confirm in the wallet and connect. And you have to sign in to verify and click on confirm, and it's connected. And here you can see 145 points already I have earned through referral, so you can earn more through refer to your friends or family members. And so in this airdrop campaign we have to connect our X handle. So first of all we have to connect X handle and click on connect and authorize it. And it's successfully connected, and then click on let's go. And here you can see the articles regarding abstract chain and what is abstract chain, and go to back and click on verify. And then next one is like their X post, and so click on let's go. Just like and go back to the campaign page and click on verify. And next one is minting a NFT, so I will share regarding this later, and just skip now and do the next one like their X post. And here you can see it is automatically show, and just like and back and click on verify. And next one is follow abstract on X handle, and so click on follow and follow their X handle and go back to the next one is retweet their X post about their governance, and then just retweet and go back to the page and just click on verify. And next one is like their X post and learn about what's next for abstract, and just click on like and click on like here also and go back to the page and click on verify. And last one is like their X post about their October recap, so click on like and make sure you have like their post also, and go back to the page and click on verify. So now I can try to mint the abstract deep in commemorative NFT. So I have to choose the network first, so click on switch network, and it already switched it. And now click on mint, and to mint this NFT we have required 0.004 ETH. So now click on mint. If you do not have enough Ethereum fees, you can deposit or so you have to confirm in our wallet also. Here you can see they give me a reminder about network. I have not sufficient Ethereum fees. So you do not have enough Ethereum in your account to pay network fees, so we have to buy or deposit to mint this NFT. So just skip this now. Here you can see I have already earned 295 points, and you can connect your Discord and other accounts also here in the profile section. And besides this, you can earn through refer to your friends or family members, and I have already earned several points by referring my friends. And here you can see the leaderboard also, and the task you have already completed. Here you can see I have earned 15 points through several 15 points by referring my friends. And you can also join their whitelist for future airdrop, and just copy and just click on join whitelist and input your email here and verify through the code. Just copy the code and input in the code section and click on confirm, and it's completed, and you can explore their ecosystem and testnet. And beside this, there have ongoing a testnet task also. So to complete the testnet task, you have to claim Ethereum Sepolia faucet or other like ARB Sepolia faucet. So I just show you how to claim Ethereum Sepolia faucet. So go to the link, and I have already shared couple of months ago regarding how to claim Ethereum Sepolia faucets in 3 by these 3 websites, and I just show just one on. So click on this and just copy your Ethereum address from your MetaMask or other wallet, and I just copy that, paste here, and then click on receive Sepolia ETH. And it takes some time to send the faucet to your wallet, so please wait patiently. And it's completed, so go back to the, and in Testnet Activity you can do several functions like bridge and mint NFT. So I just shared the simple task, and go to this link and you can bridge a small amount of Sepolia ETH through this link, and go to the link and paste here. I just copied and paste in my KW browser, so you can do directly through click on the link. And to bridge ETH Sepolia to abstract ETH, we have to connect our wallet. So click on connect. And it's connected. So as we have already faucet ETH Sepolia from the link, and now we can bridge. So click on the option and choose ETH Sepolia. So here you can see I have 1.10 ETH Sepolia faucet in my wallet. So next, input the amount you want to bridge. Make sure you have input very small amount like 002 or 004 and click on trade, and after that click on confirm. And we have to confirm in our wallet the transactions and click on confirm. Here you can see it is waiting for wallet confirmation show. So we have to confirm in wallet again. Click on confirm. And please wait patiently to validate the transaction. And it's completed and done. Besides this, you can bridge through another link, and it may take more time, and you can bridge more amount through this link. So I just copied and paste here. And click on agree the terms and services, and next click on proceed. Then make sure you have to connect your wallet again and go to my wallet to confirm the connect. So I have connected, and here you can see my balance 1.08 Sepolia. So I try to bridge through this 0.01 ETH Sepolia and click on understand, and then click on bridge now, and then go to the wallet to confirm. This bridge may take up to 15 minutes, so wait patiently and waiting for confirmation. And go to the wallet to confirm the transaction. Here you can see it is processing, so time left 14 minutes. So you can do this ETH Sepolia to abstract ETH, and they have several tasks like minting NFT. I think the NFT has already minted, so if they have any available NFT, you can mint through abstract ETH. So that's all. Please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, and please complete all the tasks you can do. Thank you.